Hello everyone, today we will show you how to zip files with ZipKing. This video has two parts. Zip a file or folder. Zip multiple files or batch folders. Let's start with how to zip a file. Part 1. Zip a file by ZipKing. There are two ways to zip a file with ZipKing. Step 1. Double-click to open ZipKing on your desktop and select the compression option. If you don't want to bother finding the file, just drag it into ZipKing to zip it. Step 2. There will be a pop-up window showing that you will create a compressed file. Here you can change your storage path if you want. There are three options to choose from: minimized, fastest, and custom. Click Custom. You can choose the file format, whether to split it into separate packages, and the compression types. If you want to secure your zipped file, you can choose to add a password to protect it. For the complex file type, you can also choose to add an annotation for a better understanding when sharing it. If you don't want to go through all that, just try right-click menu. Step 1. Find the file or folder that you want to zip and right-click to open the file folder window. Step 2. Find and select Compress in the Compress submenu. You can see two options: Add to compressed file, Add to high compression file, file name 7Z. When you choose Add to compressed file, you can customize your destination folder, compressed file name, and compression type, or add encryption and annotation just like before. When you choose Add to High Compression File, file name 7Z, you will find your compressed file appears in the default destination folder with .7Z format. Part 2. Zip multiple files or batch folders. Follow the below two methods to zip multiple files or batch folders by ZipKing. First, zip multiple files or folders with ZipKing. Step 1. Double-click to open ZipKing and select the compression option. Step 2. Choose your desired multiple files folders or drag multiple files folders here. Step 3. There will be a pop-up window showing that you will create a compressed file. Here you can change your storage path if you want. Same as before. When zipping multiple files or folders, you've got three options: minimized, fastest, and custom. Pick custom if you want to set things up yourself, like file format, split or not, and compression level. You can also add a password to protect your zip, or leave a note so others know what's inside when you share it. Zip multiple files folders with ZipKing right-click windows. Step 1. Find multiple files folders that you want to zip and right-click to open the file folder window. Step 2. Find and select Compress in the Compress submenu. You can see four options. When you choose Add to compressed file, you can customize your destination folder, compressed file name, and compression type, or add encryption and annotation. You can select Split multiple files into separate packages archives for multiple or different files folder type compression. This feature will help you better transmit and store your files. When you choose Add to High Compression File, file name 7Z, you will find your compressed file appears in the default destination folder with 7Z format. When you choose Add each file to a separate compressed file, you will get a zip file for each of your files. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try WMaster ZipKing for free. See you in the next video.